Well, it's an exciting day today at Plungie. We're up here on the rooftop of the Holman, Buildcap Development's latest project, beautifully designed by the team at Wallace Brice Architecture and expertly constructed by the team at Clearcon Constructions. This project is going to include not one, but two of our premium precast concrete Plungie original pools on the rooftop of this iconic building to take in what is an absolutely exceptional location. We are so proud to work with builders like Clearcon to deliver incredible projects just like the Holman with ease, speed and cost efficiencies. There really is no better pool solution than the Plungie for these type of rooftop applications. So be sure to stay tuned because there'll be a Plungie coming to a rooftop near you.